All right, guys, welcome back. To be honest, today's an Uber Eats day. You know what? I'm tired, it's been a long week. I don't feel like cooking. So we're gonna find us a little treat on the app. Let's scroll through Uber Eats, see what we can get. Chinese, no. Oh my God. No way. Guys, it's back. Oh my God, it's back. Guys, after 6 years, the Pizza Hut Cheesy Bites pizza has returned. That's what I'm getting. Easy choice, bang, boom. Okay, the Cheesy Bites pizza is on its way right now, but I couldn't go the whole episode without cooking something. That'd be boring. You're just gonna watch me order food. So this pizza is meant for dipping, all right? And we have our classic marinara sauce that you dip in, but I'm feeling like I wanna do a ranch. Maybe we'll do a classic ranch and then something spicy, something to pick it up a notch. So while we wait for our pizza to arrive, let's get everything out and let's make some sauce. All right, guys, we're making a homemade ranch today. It is such an easy sauce to make, and trust me, it tastes so much better than anything you're gonna get in the store. All you're gonna need is I have a 1/4 cup of sour cream, about 1/2 cup of mayonnaise here. That's gonna be our base. Then I have some dried dill, some dried parsley here. Right here I have some garlic powder and some onion powder, about 1/4 teaspoon of each. Then I have some fresh dill. It's going everywhere. Then I have some fresh dill, a little bit of a lemon, and then some garlic. That's it. That's all you need for a classic ranch. If you have some chives too, you want to chop up some fresh chives, by all means throw those in there. But really, this sauce is pretty easy to do. All we're doing is assembling. So we're gonna go into a bowl. We're gonna go in with that sour cream. Let's go in with that onion powder, garlic powder. Perfect. In with that mayonnaise. Beautiful. We're also, of course, we're gonna need a little bit of salt. Salt goes in. And then for the garlic, you can dice it up super fine and mince it into a paste. Easiest way though, so you have a microplane grater like this, just grate your garlic in. We're gonna do about a clove of garlic. And if you're not a garlic person, especially raw garlic, if that's not your thing, you can leave this out. It's not gonna make or break the ranch. But this is the difference when you have something fresh in there. That's gonna be the thing that makes it pop rather than the store-bought stuff. So let's give this a mix to start. Beautiful. All right, in with our dried parsley, dried dill. Now I'm gonna go in with a little bit of lemon juice, and I'm gonna get some vinegar as well. A little bit of champagne vinegar I'm using. You can use just regular white distilled vinegar, just a little splash. You don't need a ton. And then a little bit of lemon juice as well. Just like a nice little, give it a roll. Have a cheek of lemon, not too much. Perfect, goes in there. Look at there, you see we're starting to get the consistency and the look of a ranch. And now to finish off, I have some fresh dill. I'm gonna grate it. And you know what, I'm gonna do 2 cloves of garlic just because I like that bite in there. Beautiful, fresh dill. And like I said earlier, if you have some fresh chives too, I thought I had some, I do not. Fresh chives will go perfect. Boom, in we go with the dill. Give this one more stir. And voila, there we go. Now, if you want it a little thinner, depending on the consistency you like, you can thin it out with some buttermilk. If you don't have buttermilk, don't sweat it. You can use regular milk, but buttermilk just has a little bit more of a tang in there. But we have lemon juice and we have vinegar, so if you don't have buttermilk, it's not gonna completely make or break. Here we go. And then just go to the consistency that you like. And go a little thinner, a little bit more buttermilk. And then we finish some fresh black pepper. And there you go. That is our buttermilk ranch right there. Now, oh my God, that's really good. All right, nailed that one. Let's turn the remainder, do a chipotle ranch. Very easy to do. We have our same base already. Let me just get it a little cleaned up here. To turn this ranch now into chipotle ranch, we have some chipotle peppers canned here in adobo sauce. That is all you're gonna need. And I have a little cayenne peppers for a little bit more heat, a little bit more kick. So, first thing we're gonna do, some of that straight sauce. Perfect, that's going in there. That's all your flavor right there. And we're gonna take one of these. These are pretty spicy. You know, chipotle peppers, they're dried jalapenos and that have been smoked and dried and then rehydrated in this beautiful sauce here. So we're gonna get one and get a fork here. Get a full pepper. Oh yeah, you can just smell the smokiness coming off that. Now I'm gonna use the seeds. If you don't want it that spicy, you can scrape the seeds out. I'm gonna leave the seeds in here. Just run my knife through it. It's gonna break up really easily. Perfect. Just like so. And that goes in there. A little hint of cayenne pepper. That's it. Let's give this a stir. And then look at that color change. Nice and smoky, spicy ranch. This is gonna go great with the Cheesy Bites pizza, which is on its way from Uber Eats. Look at that. We have our Chipotle ranch and we have our classic ranch right there. I'm gonna give the board a wipe. We'll take this board out actually. We're done. All right guys, and there you go. We have our Chipotle ranch and our classic ranch, and just in time for our Cheesy Bites pizza. Look at that. It has arrived, courtesy of Uber Eats. Let's cut this thing open. Let's take a look. Here we go. After 6 long years, it's finally back. What was 6 years ago? Probably the Game of Thrones finale, maybe? Pre-pandemic. It's been a long time since the Cheesy Bites pizza has been back, but it finally is here. And oh my gosh, look at that. Look at that. We gotta go in. Still remember how to do this. You got the corner, you got a bite. Cheesy pizza bite comes right off. Let's give it a dunk. Let's go with the classic first. Fantastic. Oh yeah, tastes just like I remember. They're in the Chipotle right here. Wow, I mean the classic ranch is great, but I love the kick. The Chipotle ranch, that one's my personal favorite. Guys, right now, if you go to Uber Eats, you can get the Cheesy Bites pizza. Do not miss out. Go to Uber Eats and get yourself a Cheesy Bites pizza.